A very good afternoon to class 6th. As you know, in the yesterday's lecture, we have completed about the formation of algebraic expressions. Right? Now, in today's class, we will learn how to find the value of an algebraic expressions. What do you mean by the value word here? See, everyone knows what is algebraic expressions, right? These expressions are also like the mathematical expressions, right? Like with the variables 3x plus 5. So this is algebraic expressions, right? When we put the value of this x, here I am putting the value of x equals to 3. 3 multiply 3 plus 5. 3 3s are 9 plus 5 equals to 14. So this 14 is the value of the algebraic expression, right? The numerical number, the numerical form which you get when you put the value of variable, right? That is the value of an algebraic expression. Clear? So, same with this, we will start our exercise, and in the exercise, the first question is like this. So, see students, this is your first question, key 1 of the exercise 11.6. This is evaluate the following expression if x equals to 4, y equals to 5 and z equals to 6. Now we have to find the value of these algebraic expression. So what we do, I will put the value of x here, that is multiply with 4 plus 3. 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 3, 11. Right? Now, value of y you will put here 5. 5 5s are 25. 25 minus 4, 21. Come to this 3x square. It means x square means x multiply with x. 2 times x. So 4 multiply with 4 plus 5. Now 4 4s are 16. 16 3s are 48 and 48 plus 5 53. Clear? So this is the way to evaluate these expressions, or you can say to find the value of the expression when the value of the variable is given here. Now in this question there are two variables, y and z. We will put the value of y 5 and the value of z. Multiply and what comes means add 4 to the product and you will get your answer. Clear? This is about the question number key 1. Now come to the key 2, that is key 2 equals to the statements are given here like this. So students, question 2 is also same like this. In this also the values are given, but in this the expressions are little bit more expanded, right? So see, you have to just put the given values of the variables in the question, and after that solve that according to the board mass if brackets are there. So first is a square and b means square of 6 multiply with 8 divide by 4. Cut it, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Now 6 square, 6 6 are 36 multiply with 2. and your answer is 72. Right? Now come to the B part. C, the value of C is 4. Minus here first. Then E, 6 divide by 3 plus 2. B means 8. Right? Now solve according to the board mass. Firstly, we will divide it. Means first we will solve the bracket. 6 divided by 3. 4 minus 2 plus 2 multiply 8. 2 8s are 16. Now again addition. 16 plus 4. 20 minus 2. What comes here? 18. Right? Now the C part. A square minus B. A square means 6 square minus B means 8. Divide by 4. 6 6 are 36 minus 8. 36 minus 8. Here come 28 and 28 divided by 4 equals to 7. Right? Now the next two parts you will do yourself. Clear? I hope by these questions you understand the meaning of value of an algebraic expressions. Right? How to find the value of the expression? You have to just put the value of the variable. Right? Now come to the k-third. In k-third there are more variables. Right? So it is also like find the value of the following expression given that. Now the value of P, Q, R are like this. Values are P equals to 3, Q equals to 4 and R equals to 5. And the statements of the questions are like this. Now what you have to do? In the first step you will put the values P 3, Q 4, R 5 plus 2 multiply 3 plus 2 multiply 3 multiply 4 plus 3 multiply 5 plus 5 multiply 4 multiply 5. Right? Now add 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 5, 12 plus 2 plus 3, 6. 2 plus 3, 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24 plus 3 5s are 15 plus 5 4s are 20, 25s are 100. Right? Now add all these and find the value of this expression. Clear? Same like this, one more part. B part is 7pq plus 7q minus 2r minus 5pr minus pq. Same values we have to put. Value of p is 3, q 4 plus again value of q 4 minus 2 multiply value of r 5 minus 5 multiply value of p 3 r 5 minus pq 3 multiply with 4. Now the main part in this is see only one plus sign and rest are of subtraction. Clear? So you will multiply 7 3s are 21, 21 4s are 84 plus 7 4s are 28 minus 2 5s are 10 minus 5 3s are 15, 15 5s are 75 minus 12. Firstly add these. 8 plus 4 12, 1 goes carry, 8 2s are 10 and 1 11, minus 10, minus 75 and minus 12. Now we will solve this and find the value of this expression. Clear? Now the next two parts you will do yourself. Clear students? बहुत easy है. You have to just focus on the step. Don't put the values of P in Q at the place of Q, not the value of Q at the place of R. Right? When you put the values, you have to just remind that value of P is 3, value of Q is 4 and R is 5. If you change the value, then the value of the expression is also get changed. Clear my points to all? Now come to the K4. The K4 is find the value of the expression x by y plus y by x. If x equals to 2 by 5 and y equals to 1 by 10. Now in this the value of x and y given to you. So put the values. X 2 by 5, downside y 1 by 10 plus y 1 by 10 and x 2 by 5. And this you know, in 5th class also I told you, when the numbers are like this, then this will come here with 1 and this 10 goes up like this, plus 1 by 10 multiply with 2 and this 5 goes up, right? So it equals to 20 by 5 plus 5 by 20. Now you will take the LCM. 20 divided by 5, 4 multiply with 20, 18, plus denominator divided by denominator, 20 divided by 20, 1 multiply with numerator, 1 5s are 5, and your answer is 85 by 20. You can write it in the more shorter form, divide it with 5. Clear? This is K4 sorry. Now come to the S1. Find the value of the expression a by minus 3b. KS1, not K5. Value of a by minus 3b. In this value is given a equals to 1 by 8 and b equals to 3 by 4. Right? These are the value given. Now see, value of a 1 by 8 minus sign 3, b 3 by 4. So it is equals to 1 by 8. This 3 numerator multiply with numerator, 3 3s are 9 by 4. Now it goes up. 1 by 8 multiply with minus 9 and this 4 goes up. Right? 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 1 by minus 18. So value of this expression is 1 by minus 18. Clear, students? Now same for this S2 and S3. The values are given there, right? Like this, see. S2 is 3p by 5q, right? The value of p is 1 by 5 and the value of q is 1 by 2, right? So this becomes 3 by 5 and this becomes 5 by 2. So this 5 comes down and this 2 will go up. So it is 6 by 5 5s are 25. The value of this expression is 6 divided by 25. Clear? S3 in S3. Now look at the S3 part. The expression is like this. 3a plus 5b by there 3b minus 5a. Now in this the value is a equals to 2 by 5 and b equals to 3 by 2, right? So we will put the values. 2 by 5 plus 5 multiplied 3 by 2. Same for downside, 3 multiply b 3 by 2 and 5a multiply 2 by 5. Right? Now multiply 3 2s are 6 by 5 plus 5 3s are 15 by 2. Again 3 3s are 9 by 2 minus this 5 cut by 5. So here it becomes 2 by 1. After this you have to solve the two individually. Take the LCM. 10 will come. 10 divided by 5. 2. 6 2s are 12. Plus 10 divided by 2. 5. 15 multiply with 5. 15 5s are 75. Over. Take one more LCM of this. Denominator. 2 come here. 2 divided by 2. 9 minus 2 divided by 1. 2 and 2 2s are 4. Now we will solve it. 12 plus 75. 87 by 10. 9 minus 4. 5 by 2. Right? Again the same procedure. This will come up to here. 87 by 10. 5 is already there. Then come here 2. Right? Now you will multiply and write the answer. And the answer is this way. You will guess how it comes. Clear, students? This is the S3 part. Now, after S3, there is 3 more questions of this exercise 11.6. The A1 is the length of a rectangle is twice its breadth. So firstly, we will write about the length and breadth. A1 part, that length and breadth. So we will write the length of the rectangle is twice of its breadth. So let breadth is x and length is 2x. Twice means 2 times, right? Length of the rectangle is twice its breadth. So write an expression for its perimeter in terms of its breadth. Means direct we have to write the perimeter. So perimeter of rectangle, that is 2 multiply length plus breadth. So according to this, the value of length x plus, value of length is 2x and breadth is x. So it becomes 2 multiply 3x, right? I write 36 here, 3x. Clear up to here? See, they said that write an expression for its perimeter in terms of its breadth. So term of x, we assume that breadth equals to x. Now, using that, calculate the perimeter of rectangle whose breadth is 5 units. Now, calculating the perimeter whose breadth is 5. So, breadth is equals to 5 units, right? And it simply means that x equals to 5 units according to this expression. So perimeter is equals to 2 multiply 3 multiply 5. So 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30 units. Clear? Firstly, you will find the expression for the perimeter in terms of breadth. After that, we have to find the perimeter, the value of the perimeter whose breadth is 5 units. Now, come to A2. The A2 question is, the sum of first n natural number is found using the formula n bracket n plus 1 by 2. So verify the formula for n equals to 5. So this A2 part also you can do yourself, that this formula, in this we have to put n equals to 5. Means 5 plus 1 by 2. Now 5 multiply 5 plus 1, 6 by 2. Now you will solve and find the answer. And that answer is the sum of first 5 natural numbers. Clear to all? Now the A3 is, Dilip wants to buy 2 pen and 3 pencils. Write an algebraic expression firstly to find the total cost. So, look students, this question we have done in exercise 11.5 also. In that exercise, they are asking about that this expression is algebraic or mathematical expression, right? In exercise 11.5. This question we have already done. In that exercise, the same question is there. The values of pen and pencil also given. So you will watch the previous video and do the question number A3 also yourself. Clear to all? So this is about the exercise 11.6. Now, our next topic is about the equations, right? That about the types of equation, which types are there, identities are there, right? Conditionally true mathematical statement of equality. These we will do in the next lecture. If anyone have any problem regarding this exercise, you can comment and ask about this and the previous exercises.